Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Mintal Jannah. I'm from Kashi. I will explain about the topic of how do you validate the accuracy of your findings. Throughout the process of data collection and analysis, you need to make sure that your findings and interpretation are process accurate. Validating findings mean that the researchers determines the accuracy of calibrability of the findings through strategies such as member checking of triangulation. In this way, it encourages the researcher to develop a report that is more accurate and credible. Researchers also check their findings did participants in the study to determine if their findings are accurate. Member checking is a process in which the researcher asks one or more participants in the study to check the accuracy. The account you ask participants about many aspects of the study, such as whether the description is complete and realistic, if the themes are accurate to include, and if interpretations are fair and representative. Okay, number 2, key ideas in the chapter. 6 steps in the process of analysis and interpreting qualitative data. They are 6 interrelated. Steps involved in qualitative data analysis and interpretation. Researchers need to prepare and organize the data for analysis. This process involves storing and transcribing the data and the deciding of whether the data will hand or computer analysis. The next step is to explore the data and code it. This involves reading from the database and then employing the step involved in coding. These steps are to identify text segment and then to assign code labels to segment based on meaning the search is in the text segment. These codes are used informing description or central phenomenon or the context for or setting of the study. In findings from his analysis, the series represent in data in the findings through figures, table maps, and detailed discussion of the themes. The conclusion of a study also needs to convey the limitation of study as well. A future research, it is important as well to validate the accuracy of the findings through several strategies such as member checking and triangulation. Okay, number 3, examining qualitative data analysis in the modern trust in principal case study. Conclusion section and convey implication of the study for school principal. For designating IPA meeting and for training for principal, we do not learn about the limitation of the study stagnation. for future research. However, there is space on validate caled mobility in this study. The author held and participants checked accuracy of their reported findings by view summary of findings and by asking participant trial member check-in to comment on cases in study. Okay, thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.